All right, for Thanksgiving, this is one of my favorite things to do. This is really one of my jams. I like to do this all the time. I like to make flavored butters. And this is for all those rolls, those cornbreads, all those things. And you can put this on the table and people are gonna go crazy for it. The best way to do this is to have a food processor that's small. So this is probably a $9, $10, $15 item that I think is really worth having. And this will make your job much easier because it's small. So I've got a banana. It is ripe. You need a stick of butter. And that's all there is to this. Okay, this is soft butter. So you definitely want soft butter when you're making this. And it does take a little bit of effort where you'll have to start it, turn it off, start it, turn it off. Okay, and then you just mix it. But I have to plug it in. So hang on, let's plug it in. Okay, well now we got it plugged in. So now we're gonna do a whole lot better. Garbage bowl that. Okay, there we go. Grab a spoon. All right, just push it down a little bit. Go back. Okay, you can see it starts to move a little bit better. You start getting it ground up just a little bit. Banana butter. I'll show you how to serve all this stuff too. Where you're like, because everybody's gonna want this and everybody's gonna be digging for it. Okay, so just pop it in a bowl. All right, so this is just a handy thing to have. What I like about this is it gives people an opportunity to have their own little butter dish. Banana butter here, like that. You do a strawberry butter, like that. Messing up my spoon. You get the point. My cinnamon butter. And that way everybody has their own little butters. So I hope you try this. I think it will be a huge hit and I hope you'll like it. Let me know what you think.